So
Are there any pure give-ups from UTG on the river? I saw that most of our trash hands are mixing, but is there any hands that we're just giving up with here?
You mean any bluffs that we're giving up with?
Yeah, hands that we overbet the turn with, but then give up on the river when it.
Let's see.
It looks like fives is a pure give up.
Yep.
Other than that, the rest seems to be a mix.
And sevens is happy with its set.
Yeah.
But like these pure like ace four of hearts. Just because you have an ace doesn't mean you have any actual equity. Like, so you are not ever giving up with those. And I think the reason for that is your range in terms of the ratio of your bluffs to your value isn't being filtered at all. So like the bluffs that we have to balance out our value on the turn are still here on the river, right? If I were to, in theory, start giving up with certain bluffs, I would suddenly become unbalanced on the river. So those are continuing. But you have plenty of give ups as well. I mean, just hands that you don't want to continue with, even though you're most likely beat. Back to strategy here. Just like your sevens, right? See how much equity that has actually. Yeah, I mean sevens has, so the set of sevens has 20% equity. So like you got something, not much.
The reason sevens is checking back the river is because we still beat the hands that you mentioned on the turn, like king deuce, ace three, ace deuce, while aces and ace four are blocking those, meaning that the villain has more flushes, and that's why we want to bluff with that hand instead of sevens that has value, show them value against those hands.
Good point.
Seems kind of, yeah, it's a weird spot to bluff with aces here, but I guess it makes some sense.
Yeah, and I think piggybacking on what you said, this is a situation where blockers become more relevant than I would say in an average situation.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, and understanding as you pointed out that villains 2-pair combos that they are checking on the river and they call the turn, we beat those. And if we're not understanding that they're continuing with those hands, then this hand, in theory, could be a bluff, right? If you don't think that you have any equity with this hand. But if we know that big blind's defending properly on the turn, and we know that they're going to have those 2-pair, then